We use technology and storytelling to activate the urban environment, to foster dialogue and encourage people to look at the world differently. One of the things I first noticed, actually when flying into Denver, were these extraordinary circular fields. They use this centre pivot irrigation system, which moves water around the fields, and you create these kind of wonderful shapes.
Yeah, one down and a lot to go.
You can see this within the final artwork, that the cells empty and fill, and not only does the artwork look back to the history, but it also looks forward to the future.
So it's generating patterns of color and motion based on live weather data and also on data taken from the greenhouse of the roof of this building. And these parameters are influencing the speed and the behavior basically of the color pattern that you can see on the artwork.
So we got a lot of these lights on the artwork. We got about almost 400, I think 380.
It has this kind of immersive corridor, but really most importantly it has this notice board which speaks about this exciting work that's happening on the campus at CSU Spur. And I really hope the piece sparks curiosity in this work and also its relationship to the wider world. I'm Jason Bruges, founder and creative director of Bruges Studio.